So this is how you can fix when your Epic Games account is already linked to another email. So this usually happens if your email is already verified or it's already logged in into another account, and you won't be able to change it back or switch it to another account. Like for example, if you're trying to link two different games together, like with your Epic Games and your EA account, if you want to link those two, but one of them is already linked to another account, I don't think there is a way to basically change that unless you unlink that specific other account or you make another account for the one that is already linked. So let's say your Epic Games is already linked to something else. You're going to want to find another Epic Games account or create another Epic Games account so that you can link it to whatever you want to link it to. And yeah, that pretty much explains the whole thing. You can't really find another way to basically link your account if it is already linked. The only ways are if you unlink it to that specific other account, or if you create a new Epic Games account and then use that one to link it to whatever you want to link it to, EA Sports or your Rockstar account. Basically, either create a new email or unlink it and then link it with this. So yeah, that is how you can fix this problem. I'm sorry there aren't any other fixes that are much more convenient, but it is the only ways that they have provided us. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.